Okay, in this tutorial we're going to talk about how to add a validation list. Validation lists ensure that your worksheet entries are always valid and that the calculations based on those entries are valid. Validation also forces anybody who uses the worksheet to select the values from a drop-down menu instead of typing it into the cells. This ensures the accuracy of your entire worksheet. Um, what we're going to do is in our inventory sheet, we're going to add a location to where these CDs might be located in our network. So let's say we have a few different cities that carry different CDs. Okay, so we're going to start off by clicking in the cell that you want the validation list to go. So we want the validation list to go here in the I column of row number 3. Then we're going to click up in the data group. Just make sure your data group is selected. And then we're going to go to the data tools group. Then we're going to click on validation list, data validation list. Click data validation. Then we're going to make sure settings is selected, and then in the drop down menu you type list, click in list. Then we'll go for source. Source is where you get your information from. So this is the list that we want to create. So this is the source. Click here, click back, and click OK. And now as you can see, we have a validation list in cell number 3. So now we're going to add this validation list to all the cells. Okay, first we're going to start off by clicking in the cell that already contains the validation list, and then we're going to go up to home and then click the copy button that's in the clipboard group. Then we're going to go down and select the cells that we want this validation list to copy to. Then we're going to go up to paste, then paste special. Instead of having the all button selected, we're going to select validation and then click OK. And now each cell contains a validation list. As you go down, every cell contains its own validation list. Okay, now so let's say that you want to get rid of this validation list. So let's say we have a lot more things selected, and you decide that you don't want this validation list anymore. What you do is go into the first cell, select all the items that you would like to delete, go up to data, back to data validation, click clear all, click OK, and now your validation list is gone. Clear it out.